Welcome to Upwork Unlocked. Are you tired of sending endless proposals to low-paying clients? Discover the six-figure, 3-hour Freelance Blueprint, designed to help you build a steady, high-value income machine. Let's take a reality check. Why are 90% of freelancers ignored by premium clients? In this video, we reveal how a proven system can change everything for your freelance career. Our blueprint rests on 3 core pillars: a mindset reset to move beyond trading time for pennies, a profile fix to build instant trust, and a niche shortcut to align your skills with market demand. To dominate the algorithm, your profile must hook clients in seconds. Learn the exact framework that top earners use to rank at the top, positioning yourself as an irreplaceable expert. Achieve real results with less stress. Our 3-hour workday system helps you target high-ticket clients, secure premium contracts, and reclaim your personal freedom in under 60 minutes a day. The H.V.S.S.C framework replaces generic pitches with fill-in-the-blank templates and psychological triggers. This method is designed to address client pain points, establish authority, and increase your reply rates. Stop falling into the generalist trap where you compete solely on price. By adopting the specialist advantage, you can command premium rates and attract clients who value quality, leading to a scalable business model. Ready to scale? Learn to identify serious, high-budget clients and use strategies like the smart stocking and one-milestone tactics to turn small projects into long-term, high-paying retainers. Our blueprint is broken down into 7 modules, covering everything from mindset and profile optimization to advanced techniques for securing recurring, long-term revenue. Compare the results. While standard cover letters see low reply rates, using structured psychological triggers and the H.V.S.S.C framework can dramatically improve your performance and help you close high-ticket contracts. Unlock your potential today. Stop guessing and start executing a proven path. Get access to Upwork Unlocked and begin transforming your freelance career now. Ready to scale your income? You can get the digital download by following the link in the video description. This is your chance to access the complete, fluff-free blueprint,